You can go to the assessment section and view all of the current and active diagnosis codes for this patient. And here we can see that she has a current list of diagnosis codes that include chronic airway obstruction, asthma, hypertensive heart disease, and let's add another diagnosis. To add a diagnosis, simply click into the blank line at the bottom, and you'll open up your diagnosis code search. What will be displayed is a list of your most commonly used diagnosis codes. To select a diagnosis code, simply put a check mark in the box to the left of the diagnosis code. Additionally, if you cannot find a diagnosis code on your most frequently used list, you can use the search tool at the top of the diagnosis search window and enter any diagnosis code, description, or code of your choosing. Let's go ahead and search for asthma. When we search for asthma, we'll find a list of all of the available codes that include the word asthma. The codes that are in red are now expired and cannot be used for documentation. So let's go ahead and select a code that's not in red and click OK. Now we will have those two new diagnosis codes added onto our list. If you have a patient that does not have any known assessments, you'll simply select No Known Assessments from that assessments window. And let's go ahead and do that for a patient of our choosing. Let me search for Mary Smith. We'll go to her assessment section, and we can select No Known Assessments. Selecting No Known Assessments is the same as documenting a diagnosis code for the purposes of Meaningful Use Core Measure number 3. Remember that you'll need to document a diagnosis code or no known assessments for 80% of your unique patients during your reporting period.